All right, when we're thinking next about strategies that direct sellers need to build a loyal customer base, this is a great question. Love this one so much. But we definitely need systems in place to support our current customers. Once we've acquired a new customer, that costs a lot of money to acquire somebody. We've spent time, we've invested time and energy into that person. The best thing we can do is to stay in front of them and have them become a repeat customer. So when we're thinking about those systems, I definitely would encourage direct sellers to have some sort of CRM system to remind them of the key touch points of when to follow up. Now, I recommend a couple of key moments to reach out to your customer. Of course, once they place that initial order, we want to make sure that we send a thank you note. We say, thanks so much for purchasing. I'm so excited for you. We also want to let them know when their order has shipped and send them that tracking number. I know this is automated by a lot of systems out there, but it doesn't hurt for the direct seller to reach out directly and say, hey, it looks like your order is going to arrive on Tuesday. Let me know you got everything okay. Again, just another way to engage in conversation during the sales process and ensure that you have that repeat customer. Then once that order arrives, that's another key touch point. Hey, did you get your order? What'd you think? Did you have any questions? Here's some additional tips about that product that you purchased. Absolutely important. Those touch points usually happen. Most direct sellers are pretty good at that point in the process. Where things fall off is asking for a repeat purchase. It's a month down the road or 6 weeks or 8 weeks down the road saying, hey, checking back in. Did you use all of that? Do you need more? Or I know you bought this. I also think you'd like that. This is a complimentary product, and continuing that conversation over time is absolutely critical to ensure that you have those loyal customers coming back to you. Now, beyond that, you're going to leverage all your platforms. You're going to stay in front of them on social media, using text marketing, using email marketing, and really supporting their journey. And so that you're the first person they're thinking of when they're ready to make that purchase. So big fan of leveraging those systems to ensure that we have some good customer loyalty. I know a lot of my students are leveraging customer appreciation events where they're loving up on their customers. Maybe they're throwing in some bonuses or some specials for those repeat customers to keep them excited, especially when new products are released. That's another really great excuse to reach out to your customers and make sure that they're coming back and buying more.